Hi. Now we are going to try to calculate an area between lines given by these four functions. First, second, third, and fourth function. And we will use integration here, and here there is a formula which we will be used. So let's start. First of all, we need to do a little drawing. We have four functions. First function, x squared divided by 2. Here's our x, 0, y. When our x equals to 0, our y equals to 0, 2. Then, when our x equals to, for example, I don't know, it will be 1 and 1, x equals to 2, our y equals to, let's see, 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. Okay. And then, for example, and well, we will need it, our x equals to 3 gives us y equals to 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here will be 4.5. So let's put here our next point and draw a line. Here actually our function exists too, but it's not important for us. Then this is y equals to 1 divided by 2x squared. Then next one, y equals to 0. This is this line, y equals to 0. Next one is x equals to 2. It's a green line here. It's our 2, and for all y's, our x equals to 2. Let's write it here. And our final function is x equals to 3, and well, it's a different color, yeah, this one, x equals to 3. And between these four lines there is this area, and we need to calculate, well, this area. So area of this actually a little bit difficult figure. Well, okay, we should use integral and integration here. Our axis changes between 2 and 3, so we will write integral from 2 to 3. Then we need to put here this function minus this function. But here we have 1 divided by 2x squared, and this line is given by function y equals to 0. So here we should write minus 0, but I think I won't do it. And of course dx. So this is our area. Let it be s. And now we should use this formula and calculate our definite integral. Let's see. First of all, it will be equal 1 divided by 2x to the power of 3 divided by 3 from 2 to 3. Now we are here. And now we use the formula First of all, we take 3 and put it here, then write minus and do the same with 2. So let's do it. I will write 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 2, 6. Then I will write x cubed and put 3 here, 3 to the power of 3 minus, and then do the same with 2, and here will be power of 3, 2. So then we can calculate it. 3 to the power of 3 gives us 27, 2 to the power of 3 gives us 8. In our denominator will be 6. 27 minus 8 gives us 19, and divided by 6. This is an area of this figure.